Hi, welcome to Sweet Sorcery. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favourite recipes for Rocky Road. Now there's a little bit of magic in this recipe and that's why you'll find it always disappears quickly. You can find a link to the written recipe in the description box below. First you will need to prepare the loaf pan. Lightly grease and line with baking paper. Make sure you have cut the corners so it lays flat in the pan. Then you will need to grate the zest of a large orange. The bigger and fresher the orange is, the better. The orange gives the chocolate an extra zing that really complements all the other flavours being used today. I'm using my teeny tiny chocolate grater to do this, as I clearly need to conjure up a larger one next time I'm at the magic store. Get another bowl and separate a third of your flavourings to use in the topping. I'm using dried cranberries, mini marshmallows and shortbread. Make sure you break up the shortbread into small pieces. Careful not to make them too small, as we want the Rocky Road to have a bit of crunch. We'll be using a mix of dark and milk chocolate today. You can either use baking melts or blocks of baking chocolate. It doesn't matter too much. I personally go by what's on special at the supermarket. If you are using blocks, break up the chocolate into small pieces and then slowly melt the milk and dark chocolate together in a double boiler over low heat. Remove the chocolate from the heat, then stir in the mini marshmallows, cranberries, biscuits, and orange zest. Rocky Road is a super versatile recipe, so you can add just about anything to it. Let me know in the comments below what your favourite Rocky Road ingredients are. Make sure the chocolate evenly covers all the ingredients. Pour the mixture into the loaf pan you prepared earlier and press it down a bit to help it stick together. Using the extra ingredients we set aside earlier, spread them evenly over the top. You can pop that in the fridge to set a bit while we do the next step. Melt the white chocolate in a double boiler slowly over low heat. Once the chocolate is melted, remove it from the heat. Then using a dessert spoon, drizzle the white chocolate over the top of the Rocky Road. You can make pretty patterns or slop it on, whatever floats your boat. Pop it in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. Now that the Rocky Road has set, we can cut off the edges to make it look prettier. We can keep these aside to use with the Rocky Road cheesecake, which I'll be showing you how to make in the next video. Then slice it up into small bite-sized pieces and watch it vanish as everyone keeps coming back for more. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.